Hello all you superstars, and thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch one of our videos. Today we will talk about the top 7 ways to start a conversation. Have you ever been to a party or an event or just wanted to talk to someone at the grocery store but didn't know what to say? Here are 7 ways to get a conversation going, and who knows what wonderful things that conversation can lead to. 1. Pay a compliment. This technique can be a great icebreaker. Who doesn't like hearing a sincere compliment? You don't have to fawn over the other party to make an impact either. Succeeding is as simple as noticing something you like and mentioning it. 2. Ask an opinion. We all want to feel like our opinions matter. Asking for someone's opinion shows that you're interested in them and their thoughts. Stick to topics that are immediately relevant and avoid topics like politics or religion with strangers. 3. Offer help. There's no better way to show that you're a nice and approachable person than to be helpful. If you find yourself in a situation where you can lend a hand, go ahead and do it. 4. Look for common ground. This one's easiest if you know you're at an event where everyone's likely to have a similar background. When you bring up what you have in common, you make an instant connection that will lead to more things to talk about. 5. Ask for help or information. Much like asking an opinion, asking for a little help or guidance can be a great way to make someone feel useful. Just make sure whatever you're asking for is something the other party will be able to offer without putting themselves out. 6. Mention that you're in this together. When circumstances aren't ideal, acknowledging a shared experience can soften the edge and get a conversation going. It's likely you use this approach all the time without realizing it. At the gas station, you comment to the person filling up next to you on the high prices of gas these days. From there, a brief conversation flows naturally. The same technique works when the stakes are higher too. For example, networking at a party, for instance, where everybody's a little anxious about making a good impression. These parties are always so awkward, aren't they? Be careful using this technique. Do your best to remain neutral. A comment like "these networking events are such a bore" could end up working against you if it turns out the person you're talking to planned the event or is friends with the person who did. 7. Notice something nice. The opposite of the "we're in this together" conversation starter is noticing something pleasant. A positive approach can get a conversation off to the right start. We tend to like upbeat people who draw our attention to good things. Thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate you all. I hope you have enjoyed this little video on conversation starters. Let me know if you have any others down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to our small channel.